Welcome back to the enlightening blockchain series. Today we are going to delve into fascinating world of different types of blockchain. That is the private, public, consortium, etc., etc. Right? So let's explore it together. We will unlock the three distinctive types of blockchain that are transforming the worldwide things in industry. From the transparency of public blockchains, from the transparency of public blockchain to privacy of private blockchain to the collaborative nature of consortium blockchain. So let's get into this. Let's start with the, and I'll just share my screen and so that we can see some visuals how and what it is all about. Right. So let me share the screen. Just hold on with me for a few seconds, and here you go. Yes. So this is the day number 7, first set of visuals. So here, as I said, there are three different types of blockchains, right? So this visual is giving you a quick update or quick overview, and the public blockchains are open to anyone, right? Allowing the transparent, decentralized transaction. There's no central authority, no gatekeepers. It's a world where everyone is participation and everyone is validated, right? So it is something like your Bitcoin, just for an example. And private blockchain, it's like an exclusive clubs where only invited members can join. And private blockchains offer greater control, privacy, and security. They are perfect for organizations seeking the internal efficiency, securing data, and tamper-proof records. Right. So let me share. So here you can see it is showing what is public, what is private, what is consortium, controlled by group, and hybrid also is there that we'll take a look at later on in the session. So let me move to the next one. Here it is showing an overview of the public blockchain. Now it is very technical stuff, because this is actually an architectural diagram of the technical architecture. I don't want to go deeper into this. You can just take a look and maybe you can pause the video and if you want to understand it more. So here, if you are seeing, we have this buyer and then is crypto hashing and the databases are there and it is trustless peering. It means there are a lot of people who do the validations, right? So it is open validation and then it goes to the seller. So this is how the public blockchain works. So just a quick overview. Whenever someone is buying and it is how it is going to the seller, right? So that's how the transaction happen. It's all open. And then we have the private blockchain, right? As I told you. So we will take a look into this private blockchain. These are like the exclusive club, as I mentioned. So, and only the private blockchain offers the greater control, privacy, and security. They are perfect for organization, as I mentioned. So here you can see that again it is giving a comparison of public on the left side and private. So whenever any transaction is happening, anything, any consensus is happening, everything is locked, right? It is permissioned. Like only few people or whoever have the permission, only they can uh, activate or they can acknowledge and do the authority for the your changes in the blockchain, whatever is there, right? The transactions can be only permission. That's what is a private blockchain. And consortium blockchain is on the left side. It's just giving an overview. Right side is actually an example of the educational institution. I'll come to that later. So here you can see on the left side it's a public blockchain. Right side is a private, and consortium means it is mix of both the things, right? So let's see what is the consortium. Consortium blockchain are all about collaborations. It is multiple organizations joining the forces to form a shared blockchain, right? It's like a united front where consensus is achieved through uh, consensus mechanism agreed by participant. Consortium blockchain offers benefits of decentralization with the comfort of trusted parties, right? So that's what is your consortium blockchain. Here you can see on the right side that we have this educational institution, then we have verifiers, we have the holders, and it's all complicated thing. So at its core, it is a consortium blockchain. It is showing how the things are coming and how the things are going, who all are doing the validations, right? And then finally, on the right side, you can see that those are the people who are requesting the things, right? It can be coming through YouTube, through GitHub, or Bitbucket, or any kind of applications, right? So this is the kind of complicated what do you say architecture for consortium blockchain, right? And then we are jumping into uh, advantages and the kind of quick comparison, right? Comparison of the three types. So public blockchain is many participants, those are unknown. They write by rights are by all, read are by all. Consensus is mostly this proof of work, something like Bitcoin. Private is unknown only by from one organization. Right permissions, centralizations, read by public or restricted. Right is only given by the very people who have permissions. And multiple algorithms for consensus. It can have anything, for proof of work, proof of stake, or whatever, delegated proof of stake, as we discussed last time. Consortium is known participant from multiple organizations. So multiple organizations can be private or can be public. A right requires consensus of several participants, and reads may be public or restricted. Multiple algorithms again are used for the consensus. So it has all the things. So like private has the benefit that it is more secure, very very secure. Public it is open to all and anyone can access. Consortium has a benefit of both public and private, right? So this is a quick comparison of three. And then we have, as I mentioned, so last we have overview of the hybrid blockchain model. Just so I wanted to share this also with you, right? We are not yet done. Just wait. Hybrid blockchain model are the chameleons of the blockchain world. They combine the best world from both private and public. Imagine a system where we can have a transparency and control tailored to your needs, right? So hybrid blockchain offer the flexibility and creativity for the wide range of applications. So here again, it is giving architecture kind of thing, and it is best defined as a blockchain that attempt to use the best part of private and public. In ideal world, hybrid blockchain will be controlled and access and freedom at the same time. In simple term, it some processes are kept private and some are public, right? So here you can see where the restriction is, and it is showing the in the circle it is showing public will be shared, restrictions are there, and it will be secured from the other members who are not required to access. So at the bottom, they have given what is the benefit of hybrid blockchain. It protects from mainly from the 15% attack. It protects the privacy, works in closed ecosystem. It can change the rule whenever needed and lowers the transaction cost. Right. So that's how we have this um, hybrid blockchain, and I think so. That is the quick wrap up, and it wraps up our total session for today. So we explored the private public consortium blockchain. We saw what are the unique characteristics, what are the application and challenges, and what are the benefits of those. So remember, each type serves a specific purpose and reshaping how do your business interact and govern the digital age. Thank you for joining us with this adventure, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for more expanding, mind expanding content. See you in the next episode. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care. Have a wonderful week ahead.